We get all kinds of Quest 2 things that come in, different accessories, different things we share with you, but sometimes we get a package and I have no idea what it is. This says open on camera, MrTass. I'm pretty excited. Let's see what's in here. Now, I've known this package was coming. I have no idea what it is, but if I have to guess if it has something to do with MrTass, it's probably something 3D printed. We've had some pretty cool 3D printed accessories come in. I'll leave a link up here for you to check out some of those other videos, but I got no idea what this is gonna be. We've had some wild and crazy things sent to us, from Quest 2 golf clubs all the way to like thing that holds up your cards in a card game. So this could be anything. I'm gonna try and take it slow here. I see an envelope, so I'm trying to take that out first. Open me first, MrTass. Let me start by saying thank you. You've continued to create daily informative and fun videos. I've enjoyed them as a watcher and as a maker, having my creations reviewed. I also appreciate the support and shout outs you continue to provide. In that regards, I was also honored to see 3 of my MrTass items in prominent spots. The shelf is an excellent idea to display some of the great oddities and fun things that have happened in your time as an influencer. Still hate that word. I'm sure there will be many more items in the future and you will have to add another shelf or start swapping out. I did notice there seemed to be a gap and something missing just above the shelf. It is my hope that the provided item in this box will fit the bill. Thank you again for keeping up the amazing work. Thank you, John, as well, for all your editing and additional humor additions. Quick shout out to OMNI for providing a logo to work from. So I knew OMNI, a member of our Discord, I'll leave a link in that in case you want to join, had said that they had done something with MrTass, but I didn't know what. Let's see what we got. Wow, I didn't know you could do something like that with a 3D printer. Basically, that's a 3-dimensional logo of ours there. Kind of Mount Rushmorean. That's cool. And we got, oh my gosh, okay, I know what these are. The logo was the big surprise. This was something I had no idea. We'll have to get it up there at the right angle so you kind of see it. But then we've also got a whole assortment of Quest 2 bits here. There's tons of them too. And we got ears for the Quest now too. Ears for days. Apparently we got a whole bunch of sets. A couple white that match. We got some purple if we feel like purple or if we're feeling gold. Oh, there's more. Thought that was it. Oh, wow. There's the full color edition of it right there. Obviously with 3D print, you can only go so far with matching colors exactly, so I'm a little more yellow on there than I am in person. But that's cool, that's really cool. I'm sure this took a ton of time in printing, so thank you so much. Wow, wow, it's very humbling to get to a point where someone wants to take this kind of time and effort to do something for you. Like, I can't understate how cool that is. Thank you so much, MrTass. Thanks, OMNI, for being helpful there and helping that. And thank you to all of you for getting the channel to a point where something like this would happen. I mean, I never dreamed 3 years ago when we started the channel that people would be 3D printing a model of me, our logo, holding a VR headset. Like, it's cool. And of course, you know, 3D printing, it's a lot of work, it's a lot of time, and it's material that costs money. So this isn't something that you can just do for free for nobody. I really appreciate it. I think that this will be the one above on the shelf, and then I'll put this on the shelf, or maybe I'll put this up where my other stuff is, where I keep all my cards and stuff people have sent me over time too, because man, that's really cool. Really cool. And I'm pretty excited about the cat ears. I had seen these and was interested in them. I think I knew these were coming, but this I had no idea. Wow. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you. I feel like I've said thank you a million times since the channel started, and I don't know how to just keep saying thank you. I don't want it to lose its meaning, but I really appreciate you. So thank you so much, and I will see you in another reality. Dang, I bet this was a ton of work. Because like, when you print in different colors, the machine, I don't think the machine can do that. I think you have to like assemble them yourself after. Dang. We'll probably put it above the shelf, I think, like they want it, but I'm like, dang, if we got a bigger one we could put up on the wall there.